You are asked to use substitution here, which is unfortunate because I think that elimination would be a better method this time. But you are asked for substitution, so here's what we would do. None of these variables, the two x's, the two y's, none of them are by themselves. Remember, we try to isolate one of the variables. None of them have a coefficient of 1. That would make things very easy as well. So what we need to do is we need to consider, if I'm going to solve for x here, everything will get divided by 2. If I'm going to solve for y here, everything will get divided by 3. Same thing here and here. Divide everything by 3, divide everything by 4. What we would like to do is choose the option that we feel would give us the smallest amount of work to do, or the easiest work to do. So if I divide everything by 2, 2 does not fit into 3, 2 does not fit into 9. If I divided everything by 3, 3 does not fit into 2, but 3 does fit into 9. That would give us the least amount of fractions to use. So that would be suggested. So I'm going to go ahead and solve for y. I would subtract 2x to move it over to the other side, leaving me with 3y equals negative 2x plus 9. Divide everything by 3. So y equals negative 2/3 x plus 3. That is what I'll plug in over here now. So I'll keep the 3x, I'll keep the 4, but instead of a y, I'm going to plug in all of this. Negative 2/3 x plus 3. I need to distribute the 4. So it becomes minus 8/3 x plus 12. I need to combine my like terms. I have a whole 3 and I have an 8/3. The problem with combining these is that I can't subtract unless I have the same common denominator. So I need something over 3 to be able to combine these. What number over 3 would make a whole 3? 9. So I need 9/3 x. So when I subtract, I get 1/3 x plus 12 equals 5. Subtract the 12. 1/3 x equals 5 minus 12 is negative 7. To get rid of the 1/3, I would multiply it by 3, or 3 over 1. So I get x equals negative 21. Now that I know what x is, and thank goodness it's a whole number, that makes the next part a lot easier. Now that I know what x is, I can go back to my original equations and plug it into one of these. So I'm going to plug it into that first one, negative 21 instead of x. I'd make a negative 42 plus 3y equals 9. Add the 42 to bring it over. So 3y equals 9 plus 42 is 51. Divide by 3, y equals 17. I have x, I have y. My final answer would be x comma y.